So I just ordered some pretty badass nail polish from Layla Cosmetics in Italy. Now this is hologram effect nail polish. So it's kind of supposed to have that effect like a CD does. And I'm super excited. Oops! Orange lady! I'm excited. Gosh, I only got 3 bottles of nail polish and it came in this huge box. And a separate box inside. Oh wow. They sent me a huge Layla Cosmetics. This is huge. Look how small my hand is compared to it. And there's 2 books. Maybe to share one? I don't know. Layla Cosmetics. Damn, that's cool. So here's the separate box it came in. Oh, how pretty. It's got like cute little pink and white paper. Hard to do with one hand here. Wow, awesome. Yeah, I got 4 bottles. I got 2 of the Flash Black. Oh, let me get in the sun. Does do it justice. Kinda can see the shine of them. I got 2 Flash Black, like a coffee brown, and a jade one, I believe it is. Oh, emerald. Let's see, there's something else in there. Maybe some samples. Oh wow, another book of some sort. Of all their nail polishes. These are, oh, to pass out to my friends. A whole bunch of books. Oh, cool. And I guess I'll give you a little review next time I film. I'll have my polish on and let you know how it thinks. I have one on now that's kind of similar. Just doesn't do it justice. There it is. It's called Beetle. And I had to use 2 different colors to get this effect, but these other ones are going to be amazing.